Good morning, student. I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, ACS, Bavdan, Pune. This is my fourth lecture on Chapter 1. In this lecture, we are going to learn marketing versus selling. Marketing. Marketing is a form of communication between you and your customers with the goal of selling them. Communicating the value of your product or services is a key aspect of marketing. In this picture, we are seeing that some people are creating a bridge, the bridge called as a marketing. Marketing bridge will help you to get the profit from the market and get the good sale of your product. Selling. Selling is transfer of ownership from seller to a consumer. Target on selling the product produce. Sales is a part of a marketing. Main aim to earn a profit. In this picture, we are seeing that several types of people having a hoarding of buy our stuff. With the marketing, they are promoting their product to the consumers to and urge to consumers to get their product. So marketing will help you to sell the products. The term of marketing and selling many times are used interchangeably. However, there is a great deal of difference between both these concepts. Marketing is a much wider concept. It begins with the identification of the needs of the consumers. Selling is the action part of marketing and its short-term objectives. Selling is a process of transferring a product for a price to the buyer of his needs. Selling seeks to convert the products into a cash, whereas marketing seeks to convert a customer need into a products. Selling focuses on the need of the producer, whereas marketing focuses on the need of the consumers and provide the product that will satisfy the need of the consumers. Marketing is basically concerned with the value of satisfaction to the customer or consumer. Selling is basically concerned with the exchange of a product for a price. Let's see marketing versus selling. Marketing includes selling and other activity like various promotional measures, marketing research, after a sales services, etc. Selling. Selling is limited to influence of customers to buy from goods and services. Marketing. Planning is long-term oriented in term of a new product, tomorrow's market and future market. Selling. Planning is short-term oriented in term of today's products and market. Marketing. Marketing concerned with customer satisfaction, selling concerned with profit maximization. Marketing innovation is everywhere on providing better value to a consumer by adopting new technologies. Selling, staying with existing technology and reduce cost. Marketing views the customers as a very beginning of the business. In other hand, selling views customer as the last link of the business. Marketing stresses on need of customers. Other hand, selling stresses on need of sellers. Marketing start with the customer and end with the customer. Selling start with the sellers and ends with the sellers. Some examples of sales and marketing oriented companies. In sales oriented company, insurance Online Shopee door selling included. In market-oriented companies, Dell Computers provide platform on which each person customize the features he/she desires. Automobile industry, designer clothes also included. In this picture, we are getting several types of company logo pasted in one platform. It looks like a banner. It is a good example of marketing. In next image, we are having several names of companies that offer online shopping to the customers to buy their product in one platform. That is the good example of selling. Selling is a marketing, but marketing is not a selling. Thank you, student, for watching my lecture.